that out of the way. It's not going into this card. Looking somewhere over here. I'm going to play the element sap tree. Basically, I get to discard 2 cards that I have. Play the defense bracelet. So because he played that card, I would have to discard 2. So we'll put the discard, or the perish power, right over here for the time being. Alright, so we're going to play down the item card Sagittarius Shell. So we're going to go put the tracker 1. My opponent can search their deck, his or her deck, for 3 type of fire elements. So I'm going to grab fire, fire, and he's going to get the other fire dragon. And because the card doesn't tell me to shuffle, I do not have to shuffle, which is a great advantage for that Sagittarius Shell. Attach another element right over there. Now my deck is now affected by the status effect Singe. What Singe does is, on the beginning of each player's turn, I would have to roll the die. If I get a even number, which would be a 2, 4, 6 on the d6, I would avoid damage. Now if I miss the roll, my hit points automatically lose 20 hit points. So I only have 2 elements on his side of the field, so he can attack a total of 3 times. So Fire Dragon's going to attack the Wind Dragon. 6, and I only had a defense of 2, so the 17 plus the 15 is going to be 32, which would be enough to destroy my creature, so my tracker would go down to 4. I'm going to use the Fire Dragon to attack the Strag Griffin. 4, a defense of 3, so that brings me down to 22. And he's going to use his regular attack, which hits for 30 against the 22. So if it's a 3 or higher, my dude will also go to the perish pile, which is a 2 on this one. So phew. Okay, and that would be his turn. So I would draw a card. I would have to roll a die. So I have a 5. So my hit points were to go down to 180. Now for my previous turn, I would switch the numbers over. So this would be 1, this would be 3, now I can fuse because I have the air element and the fire element. I can drop down the lightning element. And if I had another one, which I'm going to grab with the lightning stone, get down this one, play it down just like so, and I'll shuffle my deck because that's what it tells me to do. Alright, so I'm going to play down the air eagle. I'm going to play down the gyro fly right over there. So I can now attack a total of 4 times to see if we can even up the score with this one right over here. So I'm going to use my flash glare against that fire dragon right over there, and I got a 1, so no damage. So now I'm going to change this up. I'm going to actually use my elemental attack, which is Windsickle. So I'm going to put this one into my perish pile. I'm going to target this guy right over there. That's going to go into that perish pile. I'm going to just put that over there. So the track will go down to 4. And because of the extra effect, both of these would go into the perish pile as well. So now I can use Sonic Sound to that dragon right over there. Fire Dragon 6. So that brings it down to 13. And I should have one more attack, which I do. And use Air Slash to that. 3 versus 4, no good. And I'm going to end the game right there. based on the score, if there's a tournament play, a timer to be called, you would calculate how much damage was actually done through the field. And because we would have ended in time, but because I missed the roll on the Singe effect, my opponent would win this game. There's an interesting tournament system that we are implementing in here as well. This was just a quick demonstration of how the game will work. Once you understand the concept of the games go really, really fast, hence is why we have a 70 card deck versus a 60 card deck. There's no extra deck, so you guys can go all out once you understand the basics of how to play it. I slowed it down a little bit just so you guys can kind of see the mechanics of how the game works, so that way you guys understand what you're actually investing in. The game is completely copyrighted. I've made the concept since I was 16 years old, so rest assured your investment is going to be safe. There's so many different combinations. I have over 2,000 plus cards I made for the game, and we're implementing the first 144 that I've done in order to show you guys what's going on. So I want to say thank you very much for watching this quick demo. I hope you guys enjoyed the possibilities of fusing. I'm sure you guys are already thinking of other ideas that you guys have for your decks when the game comes out, and I really can't wait to see what you guys do with it. I want to say take care. Thank you very much. Thank you to my lovely opponent Andrew. Say hi to the people, Andrew. Alright guys, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this, or a great night. Appreciate it. Thank you so much for the love and the positive feedback, and I will talk to you guys later.